from this piece of PVC pipe to a drum for my rock tumbler. I used a laser to cut some holes. This is the older one. This is what it would look like. I'm not going to speak a lot. I think the video is clear enough and long enough so that you can see everything that I did. You're welcome to pause and check again. I bought this end stops, cut a hole in it to connect an end stop with a lid on it that can screw off. I just glue it with normal super glue. Super glue works well for me for everything. So the PVC pipe is a 160mm pipe, a big piece that I got from my neighbor. I just mark the point that the caps will get to, and then I will add another 5mm for screws that I want to put through to hold the inner parts. I measured the outside of the pipe and divided by 3, and just measure a piece of twine so that I can mark the points at the outside of the pipe. I'm going to connect that 3 pieces on the top to the inside to help grip the rocks and things that is inside, to help them turn over. Future videos with this drum and tumbler of mine will be about rocks, glass. I'm going to test if I can use normal sanding paper in the place of grit. So yes, I'm going to test a lot of things. You're welcome to subscribe and follow me to see the future videos that I will create. I'm going to glue the end stops with normal silicone. The reason that I do this is in the future when the pipe is wear out, I can easily break it out and use the end caps again to save some money. Make sure not to drill into your finger. It already happened to me when I was younger, so. At the end of this video, the end screen will be there of how I built my tumbler itself. You're welcome to go and watch it. I'm going to put some rubber bands at the outside just for extra grip when I'm using my tumbler, so that it doesn't slip. I use a little bit of super glue to secure the bands so that it don't slip off. This is a piece of sponge that I just got a seal for me. You can cut it with scissors. So, but I have the laser, so I use it. In the next videos, we will see if this drums works well. I already tested one, so I know it worked, but the things that I'm going to do, I want to share with you. So I'm going to start with some glass and see what can I do with it. Please subscribe and go and watch the video about the tumbler itself. Have a good day and bye bye.